Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to log out of device remotely in Netflix or how to disconnect a device remotely. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, open it, of course. And after that, go and click on My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. Click on Account. Wait a little bit. After that, you will find an option called Access and Devices. Click on it. And after that, you will find here all the devices connected to your Netflix account. And if you want to disconnect any device, you have just click on it and click on Sign Out. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.